Getting started on YouAps Biz. Are you a professional in hairdressing, beauty, wellness, or crafts? Looking to grow your online presence? Here's how to get started on YouAps Biz. Step 1. Register. Download the YouAps Biz app from the Play Store or App Store. Open the app and click on the Register button. Fill in your personal and business details. Select your sector, choose your category, and click Finish. Once registered, you'll receive an email with your login credentials, username, and password. Step 2. Login and set up. Log into the app using the credentials sent to your email. Follow the user guide to set up your business profile. Click on Configure your service list to add your services. Enter service details and click Save. Step 3. Publish your business. Click Publish Profile and verify your business information. Confirm your business name, email, phone number, and other details. Indicate the gender of your target customers. Provide detailed information about your establishment. Step 4. Finalize your profile. Add your business address and pinpoint its location on the map. Set up your opening hours. Upload a cover image and additional photos to make your profile stand out. Configure appointment settings. Choose cancellation or rescheduling policies. Set how far in advance clients can book appointments. Enable deposits if needed to secure bookings. Once everything is set, click Publish Profile and your business is live on YouAps Biz. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we look forward to helping you grow your business. See you next time.